Hello, how is everybody doing? My name is Evan Webb, and I am doing my final presentation for this class 8.04. Um, doing kind of showing you basically what I did for my website, my final website. So again, like most of my presentations, I had to record this at the school or record the YouTube or the video at school and then record me presenting it here at home on my laptop. So basically, this is a video I took earlier. So as you see here, here's my website, and it looks like I'm going to kind of copy this link and show you basically that if you copy it and place the link, it'll come up. Um, I'll put the URL up top up here, and it will link us to my page. My page is called Strike 3 Collectibles, and essentially what that is it's basically a sports memorabilia site. So as I just pulled it up here, as you can see the navigation bar there at the top, I have a home, an about section, collections, sweepstakes. Then I have a more, and then under that more part, as you see right there, I do have three drop downs: merchandise, location, and profile. So if you click on any of those, it would go direct you to those tabs. Um, so as I kind of continue to show you basically what I got, I'm putting it down in like essentially what it would look like on a mobile device or an iPad here. And I believe here as I get set up that I'm going to show you the drop down, how that would basically work on a mobile device. As you can see up top there, yeah. So as I pause the screen here, there's kind of my drop down, and that's my navigation bar that you would see if you were getting on this website on a mobile device or an iPad. Um, so that is set up as well, and that was one of the requirements this um, for this project. So as I show you a little bit of how that works, um, and then we will go to the next part. I'll expand it back out to the normal size website here, and kind of show you basically what I did, what the whole website. And this is the about page. As you can see here, I got my title or my website name, and then basically it shows what I offer. If you click, as I just saw, I just clicked on the collections tab. It takes you to this page, um, and basically here I have three different um, items that to show you there. Um, and this is kind of like the sports memorabilia part of it. I tried to like put local St. Louis stuff in here because technically my my business is located in St. Louis, as you'll see here in a minute. But if you click on any of these, the purchase button, essentially that would take you to a purchase page where you would purchase that or whatever. And then I just hit on the sweepstakes page here, and this is also kind of a contact page as well. As you see there, I have the phone information, the email information, where it's located. And then if I pause it right here, as you see, to sign up, there is a where it says please fill out this field. That is kind of a new feature I put into this, and one of the requirements of this project was to put in a new feature. So that was something I found on W3, um, the W3 HTML site on, just a little extra perk and another accessibility to put in this page. And so, yeah, if you hit the send and don't put anything in those fields, that little pop up will come up. So I thought that was a nice little like touch to the website and something new that I had never done any of the rest of them. Um, and as you see there, there's kind of a help button. That's also another accessibility perk that I put into this. And then there's three other links there at the bottom. One that would link to a Facebook page, future sweepstakes, and then a donation. And then below, I have a map, and right there is kind of the map. That's exactly the location that um, the shop would be located at. And then I got the social media there as well. And at the bottom there, it says find us on social media. So that is the whole page. Um, again, you know, I did some different things to it, some stuff I haven't done before. So I hope that I got enough there to, um, to add to this new web page and my final web page. So I've enjoyed the class, and good luck to everybody on the rest of their projects. Thanks.